Hi, I'm Robin Pickens. Thanks for coming by my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to give you a little teaser of some of the things that we're going to have at Quiltcon. So Quiltcon is coming up in just a couple weeks. It is February 20th through the 24th, 2025 in Phoenix, Arizona at the Phoenix Convention Center. So Robin Pickens Incorporated is going to be there vending for the first time, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm in booth 215. If you are there for Quiltcon, which is put on by the Modern Quilt Guild, I really hope that you will come by my booth and say hello, because I would love to see you in person. We have been making lots of kits in the shop here to get ready for the show. One of my favorite quilts is Mod Flower Box, and this is the original palette of Mod Flower Box, this one here with the soft black and chalkboard scribbles. We have kits of this. We also have kits of another palette of it, which is the California Sunshine palette. This one I love. It's done with the washed linen for the background and the blizzard white, and it has this really cheery palette. We will also have some bundles of thatched fabric that are pulled from this color palette too. We'll have some other bundles of curated colors of thatched in some warm colors and cool colors and some with neutrals, so lots of bundles. Another one is the Posies Table Runner. This one that is on the cover is actually made up in Dandy Duo, and if you get this, you can also make the 4 placemats along with it. You have enough fabric for that. The kits that we're making up are on shadow, just like the cover, and they are using the Dandy Duo collection for that one. Some of the other quilts that I'm taking, I've got my Wind Drifter quilt, which is this quilt here. And I have it done up in thatched in the navy background and all these really yummy warm colors. So this one is another kit, and another one of my favorite quilts, because I gotta just share all my favorite thatched stuff with you guys, is this beanstalk one that's done in rainbow colors. And so this has got 33 different thatched colors in it to make up this array of colors on all the leaves, and it has the wash linen for the background. So this will be a kit. It's highly unlikely you're going to find this a lot of other places, because there's actually 33 different colors that make up these leaves in here. So it's a lot of cutting, but it's worth it for the quilt. We'll have some of the other collections where I have some kits still, like for example, this is Leaf Press that is using the Forest Frolic fabric. So we'll have some Forest Frolic quilt patterns and kits. I'll have all my patterns there. We'll also have some from Winterly. We'll have Courtyard Lattice. We might have some Noble Fur kits. So we'll have some from Winterly, and we're also making up some kits of Tokyo Terrace done with Serena Shores. And I wanted to know if you would like us to do Surf Wave in Serena Shores as a kit, because we were kind of debating on that. So please let me know in the comments below if you are interested in a Surf Wave kit, if you're going to be there at the show, and if you are, do you want a light background like the cream, or do you want the dark blue background like the coastal? So let me know. The other thing we're going to have are kits for cross stitch, and a lot of you know that I've been kind of digging into the cross stitch world, and it's been a lot of fun. I don't have the confirmation yet, but I think I might have the kits from Moda that are for the Stitch Lovely sewing machine. And like this is the Super Bloom Bouquet, and this also gets floated on some of the Dottie Thatched fabric. So I might be getting some of the kits from Moda in advance to be selling those at the show. I also have Queen Bee and the Butterfly Blooms. Some of the other kits that we're making up here to take is we have Facing the Sun, and this one is actually based on the quilt that I did that's Towards the Sun, but this one's called Facing the Sun. This is done with all Cosmo flosses on a really nice Lugana fabric that's pebble. And we'll have kits of that. We will also have kits of Mod Bloom Box, which is based on the Mod Flower Box quilt pattern. We'll have those as kits. And the kits always have the flosses, the pattern, and the background it's stitched on. But then for something like this is Pine Crossing. It also includes the print that's in the background, the fabric with the trees from Winterly. So we'll have kits of this. And another one that we're doing is we've got the birds, the Seasonal Courier series. And when I put these in standard size frames, I like to use Thatched in the background so that I float the piece on it. So we will have a piece of the Thatched color that I use behind the bird, as well as this Lugana and your flosses for these. So we're doing the 4 seasons of the Seasonal Couriers. We've got the robins, the blue jay summer, the cardinals, winter, and this is the, blackbirds autumn. So I don't have these in the shop right now, the online shop. And I do want to know, would you like us to carry these kits in the shop for you to order? And if so, please comment below, let us know. It's really helpful to know what kinds of things you want us to kit to offer to you. So anyway, I hope that you are coming to Quiltcon. We're busy getting ready. We're really excited to go. I'm going to be there with Mr. Pickens and also my daughter Audrey. So I just think it's going to be a really fun time. I hope you will come by. Again, it was booth 215. Please come and say hello. Thanks.